Good morning, student. Welcome back in video system class. Today I discuss working with Windows 7. Today I discuss working with Windows 7 for class 9th. Chapter number 5. My dear student, first of all, what is the Windows 7? Windows 7, you already study class 4, class 5, classes, but same introduction part. Windows 7 is an operating system. Windows 7 is an operating system that was produced by Microsoft company. Microsoft and released as part of the Windows NT family of OS operating system. Windows 7 is the operating system produced by the Microsoft. The first OS, the Windows NT OS. It was released to manufacturing. It was released to manufacturing on July 22, 2009 and become generally available on October 22 of the same year. Windows 7 is a GUI operating system. Windows 7 is a GUI that allow you to interact with items on the screen using a keyboard and mouse. This is the Windows 7. This is the introduction part. Windows 7 is an operating system and released by October 22, 2009. This is the GUI operating system that allows user to interact with the screen using a keyboard and mouse. This is the Windows 7. My second topic, feature of the Windows 7. My dear student, you class 4 you already study. You are not studying. Don't worry. First feature, user friendly GUI interface and multimedia. User friendly GUI and multimedia. My dear student, GUI is a type of user interface through which user interact with electronic devices via visual indicator representation. Again, GUI is a type of user interface through which user interact with electronic device via visual indicator representation. My dear student, user-friendly GUI is mainly related to first command line, second GUI, third menu driven, fourth form based. This is the four type of the user friendly GUI: command line, GUI, menu driven, and to the form based. My dear student, my second point is the arrow shape. I am not write down in this particular sentence. There are so many such type of feature, but you related in this point arrow shape. Arrow shape, it is useful and to the interesting feature of the Windows 7. Arrow shape, this is the interesting feature of the Windows 7. It helps user to minimize the open window applications on the screen to one user wants. Arrow shape in Windows 7 is very simple too. This is the arrow shape. I again repeat, arrow shape. Arrow shape is a very interesting feature of the Windows 7. It helps user to minimize the open window applications on the screen to the one user wants. Arrow shape application is a very simple application in this Windows 7. Third number point, arrow theme or to the arrow background. Arrow, what is the arrow? What is the window arrow? Window arrow is mainly related to authentic. Window arrow is mainly related to energetic. Window arrow is mainly reflective. Window arrow is mainly related to the open. This is the arrow. Window arrow is authentic, energetic, reflective, or the open. Is the GUI the first introduced in the in the window Vista. The first introduced in the window Vista. Home media and streaming. Streaming means a screen saver. So this is the all such type of the topic in the Windows 7. Thank you so much.